Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Bestway Power Steel Swim Vista Series pool with pump, ladder, and cover. At 14 by 8.2 foot by 39.5 inch, this pool is big enough for you, your kids, and their friends to enjoy. We made sure to design a unique oval-shaped pool, so setup is quick and easy for you. We built in a flow control drain valve that hooks up to a garden hose, using an included adapter, allowing the pool to drain quickly with minimum effort from your part. In addition, the pool's coolest feature are the two underwater windows that allow swimmers in the pool to look out and people hanging out nearby to look in. Grab a Power Steel Swim Vista Series oval pool today to make your summertime fun and relaxing. Product benefits. Pool is easy to set up and built to last. The durable, corrosion-resistant steel frame is equipped with our seal and lock system. The Triduct liner is made of durable material that is reinforced for strength and puncture resistance. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.